on the ice that the Bruins play on. Pretty cool,
Yeah.
huh?
We got no.
We're gonna get on there. Henry's new at skating, so it's gonna be an adventure, but I've done this before. We're gonna go skate around the ice like the hockey players, right? He's got his new shirt, new Swayman shirt. Looking cool. All right.
You know the hockey games go at time now. Yeah. Come on, go.
Good job.
Goodbye.
Like one of the players.
Yes.
Pretty cool, huh? Just behind the scenes of the TD God.
Oh.
Oh, this is the basketball floors.
Yeah,
They put that on the ice.
Where?
Right there. See, those are the pieces of the floor.
Yeah. I see you.
And those are the seats.
Oh, yeah.
There's the basketball net.
Where's
Oh, this way.
Okay.
Pretty cool.
I think.
There's the goals that they use for the games.
Oh, yeah.
You got this. You're good. Junior, you're so good.
No, I'm not.
There you go. You don't need my hand. You gotta move though. Come on. You're not ready. You're not.
Walking on the ice. Go slow. One step, one foot in front of the other, okay?
I have four.
Good job.
We didn't go like this way.
No, we didn't go that way. Let's go this way. Oh, wait for that. Here's the pieces to the basketball court. That's where the Celtics play on those things. See what they got, okay? It's pretty cool. This is the stuff you don't usually see, you know?
Why is that boxing?
Brave little boy. All right, let's see.
I'm waiting for one.
Oh, this is pretty cool, huh? So